Do you know you can live and work in the UK and you can use your talent to unlock a future in one of the world's most dynamic and innovative countries without the need of employer sponsorship? Yes, this is one of the challenges where you want to move to UK, because mostly it requires you to have a sponsorship to have a job in the UK. But I have a good news for you. There is another opportunity that you can move to the UK without needing a sponsorship. Yes, and if you want to find out how it is done, if truly you can move to UK without the need of sponsorship, please keep watching the video. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Alaken. If this is your first time coming across this channel, I share global opportunities for study, work, and relocation opportunity abroad. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and let me know where you're watching from. And the opportunity I share there is going to help you to achieve your dream abroad. So you don't want to be left out. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you won't miss any opportunity we post on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, guys, you are the best, and thank you for your continued support. You know I always bring you the best opportunities, and today I'm excited to talk about the UK Talent Self-Sponsored Work Visa for 2025. This visa is all about empowering you to showcase your exceptional skills and achievements without relying on any employer's sponsorship. This is an amazing opportunity, guys, because a lot of people who want to relocate through work, you need employer sponsorship. But this opportunity doesn't require that, which means you need to provide strong evidence of your talent. You need to prove that you have a strong evidence of your talent through rewards, publication, and recommendation, which means people can recommend you for your good work. It is also a chance for you to prove that you are at the very top of your game and you are ready to contribute to the UK thriving industry. This process is completely self-sponsored, which means it gives you full control over your own application. You have to take total responsibility for gathering your documentation, a detailed CV, a robust portfolio of work, and also a strong letter of recommendation from recognized experts. The application is entirely digital, which means you're going to be doing everything online, and that makes it also easier for you to track and manage your application. However, it is still demand carefully preparation, which means you have to make sure you prepare your documents properly and make sure that you pay attention to details. You want to make sure every piece of the information shines. And one of the most exciting benefits of this visa is that it is flexible, and once your visa is approved, you are not just tied to one single employer. You have the freedom to work with multiple employers, multiple companies in the UK. You can also pursue freelance projects or start your own business. Guys, in my own opinion, this is a great opportunity that opens up to incredible opportunities to network, collaborate, and you can ultimately build a long-lasting career in the UK. Let's not forget that working in the UK means that you enjoy excellent work-life balance, thanks to world-class public service and a multicultural environment that can enrich your personal and professional life. And also the most important and exciting benefit of this visa that I love the most is that it is so flexible. You are not just tied to one employer. As you know, when an employer sponsors your visa to UK, that means you have to work for that employer alone. But in this case, you have the freedom to work with multiple companies, multiple employers, which is an amazing one. And also, you also have access to freelance projects or even start your own business in the UK. If you have the money, why not start your own business under this visa? It is very good and it is a great opportunity for you to move to the UK. It is also give you access to network, to collaborate, and also build a long-lasting career in the UK. Let's not forget that working in the UK give you an excellent work-life balance. This visa pathway can also lead to permanent residency, which is going to allow you to make the UK your long-term home. So I'm going to be sharing my screen to walk you through the entire application process. I'm going to take you through the UK government website and we are going to do it together. We're going to see the application process, the eligibility criteria, what are the documents required for you to apply for this visa, and the exact documents you need to upload. You want to make sure that you upload the right document and pay attention to details, because any slight mistake can ruin everything. So let's head over to my screen while we go through the official website. Let's go, guys.
So, guys, this is the UK government website, and where I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about applying for the Global Talent Visa. There are a few things you need to keep in mind, which I'm going to be sharing with you on the official website. You can apply for the Global Talent Visa to work in the UK if you are a leader or a potential leader in one of the following fields. If you're a leader in academia or research, art and culture, or digital technology, you must also be at least 18 years of age before you can qualify to apply for this visa. Before you apply for this visa, there are two ways to it. Is either you apply with an endorsement or you apply without an endorsement. So it all depends on you. If you have an endorsement, which means maybe you've won an eligible award before, if you have, you can click on this link. Before you go ahead to apply for an endorsement, you want to make sure you work in one of these fields. Maybe you work as an academia or a research, you work in art and culture or a digital technology. So if your field fall into this category, there is a chance that you can apply for this visa. And also, if you're not eligible for this global talent visa, there are other ways, there are many ways you can choose to work in the UK with the skilled worker visa. There is charity visa going on right now. There is volunteer visa, which you can use to move to the UK. This is not the only route to move to the UK, but this is one of the best routes to move to the UK because you are not tied to one employer. You can move to the UK and work with many employers. This is one of the best part that I love about this visa. You have the freedom to choose your own employer by yourself. You can choose to have your own business, to work on your own as a freelancer, and you can also choose to work with many employers. So it is an amazing opportunity. And also, if you're not able to get this visa, there are other ways, many ways actually, to move to the UK. So now let's go to how long can you stay under this visa. So you can live and work in the UK for up to 5 years at a time. So if you're having this visa, which means you can stay up to 5 years in the UK, you can live and work in the UK for up to 5 years. And after 5 years, if you still want to stay in the UK, you can renew your visa, or you can also apply for citizenship after 5 years in the UK. If you choose to stay in the UK longer after your 5 years, you can renew this visa as many times as you want. And after 3 to 5 years, depending on which field you work in and how you apply, this gives you the right to live, to work and study here for as long as you like, and apply for benefits if you are eligible. Okay, that is the best part, when you live and work in the UK. So once you stay in the UK for up to 5 years, when you decide that this is a country you want to stay, you want to live forever, you can apply for citizenship after 5 years of you staying in the UK. So now let me move forward to how to apply. The application is taking place online. And also the best part is that even if you're inside the UK, probably you are within the UK with other kind of visa, and you want to switch over to this global talent visa, it is possible. You can as well switch over. And also, if you're outside the UK, you are in your own country, you can as well apply for this visa and you are welcome to the UK. So now if you want to apply outside of the UK, this is where you will click. If you click on here to broaden your understanding on how you can do that, how you can apply, I want to share with you that you can move with your family with this visa. Your family can move along with you, and there are many benefits your family can also enjoy if they move along with you with this visa. I'm just going to share with you where it is written if you are moving with your family. So now let's talk about how long does it take. As part of the application, you will need to prove your identity and provide your document. You may need to allow extra time if you need an appointment to do this. For you to get a decision, once you apply online, you provide your identity and you provide all your documents. The decision usually take up to 3 weeks if you're outside of the UK and 8 weeks if you are inside of the UK, which means if you're inside of the UK, it takes a longer time, and if you're outside of the UK, it takes lesser time for your visa decision. And for the fees, how much would you pay for this visa? It costs around £716 to apply. And if you're applying based on endorsement, you will also pay the same amount. But if you're applying through an endorsement, there are two ways to make your payment. You will need to pay 524 when you apply for the endorsement and 192 when you apply for your visa. And if you're applying based on an eligible award, you will need to pay the full amount of £716 when you apply for your visa. So if you're including your partner, your children, your spouse, you will need to pay £716 per each applicant. If you have your three members, assuming you have 3 children, you have 2 children, you have your wife, so each of them you need to add £716 on your own fees. Let's check the documents you will need to apply for this visa. you need to provide a valid passport or other documents that shows your identity and your nationality. You will need a tuberculosis test result if you are from a country where you have to take the test. If you have an award or scholarship to study in the UK in the last year, you will need a written permission to apply from an agency or a government that granted it. If your documents are not English, you will need to translate them to English. You also need a blank page in your passport for your visa if you are outside of the EU or Switzerland. So now let's check what is in for your partner, your children, if you're bringing them along with you with this visa. Your partner and your children can also apply to join you or stay in the UK as your dependent if you are eligible. So this is a great opportunity, guys. If you're moving with this visa, you can come with your family, which means your family will come with you. You don't need to leave them behind and ask them to come later on. So you can move along with them together. If your partner or children's application is successful, their visa will usually ends on the same day as your visa. If your child parents have visas with different expiring dates, the child visa will end on the earlier date. A dependent visa or children is any of the following: your husband, wife, civil partner, or unmarried partner. Your children under 18 years, including if they were born in the UK during your stay. Your children over 18 years, if they are currently have permission, leave or enter, or leave to remain to be in the UK as your dependent. You also need to provide evidence of your relationship to your dependent when you apply, which is your marriage certificate. And for your partner, you must be able to prove one of the following. You must be able to prove that you are in a civil partnership or a marriage that's recognized in the UK. You must be living together in a relationship for at least 2 years when you apply for this visa. And you must also be in a relationship for at least 2 years when you apply, but you cannot live together. For example, because you're working or studying in different place or it is not acceptable in your culture. If you're not living together, you will need to prove that you have an ongoing commitment to each other. For example, by providing evidence that you communicate regularly with each other, you support each other financially, and care for any children you have together. Spending time together as a couple, for example, on holiday or at events. And for your child, these are the requirements for your child. Your child must live with you unless they're living away from home in full-time education or, for example, at boarding school or university, not the married or in a civil partnership. You also need to provide evidence of their address, such as their bank statements, credit card bills, driving license, NHS registration document, and official letter from their university or college. And for the fees which we've talked about earlier on, you need to pay £716 for the application fee. And you also need to have their fingerprint and photo biometric information taken. There is no fees for that. If your partner or your children are outside of the UK, your partner and children must either apply as a partner or apply as a child. Each family member will need to complete a separate application and pay the visa fees. They must apply before they travel to the UK, and they will be asked to provide your application number so the Home Office can link the application to you. So guys, you need to come over here and read more. Everything you need about this application is totally here. How to apply for your visa, how you can bring your spouse with you, the visa you need to apply for your spouse. Everything is well stated here, guys. And I need you to come over and come and read and get to understand this visa before you put in your application. So just in case if you want to extend your visa, you click on here, you will see a lot you can read about this, how long you can stay in the UK. Answer to everything is here, how much you need to pay and everything. So if you want to know if you can switch your visa, it is possible. You can switch over. You must be able to apply to switch to a global talent visa if you're already in the UK on a different type of visa. Your partner or children will need to apply separately to switch their visa. They can either apply at the same time as you or at any time before their current visa expires. Maybe you're in the UK on a different visa type. You are already in the UK and you want to switch over. This is another visa route which you can switch over to. And if you have your partner with you, your partner also need to apply separately to switch their visa. For the eligibility criteria for you switching your visa to this global talent visa, the eligibility criteria remains the same thing. You need to prove that you are a leader or a potential leader in one of the field covered by the visa. This is also called getting an endorsement. If you're currently in the UK on a student visa, you may also have either completed the course you were sponsored to study for a PhD at least 24 months. So guys, this is the eligibility criteria for you to switch from your current visa to this global talent visa. And let's just quickly talk about who cannot switch their visa to this global talent visa. You cannot apply to switch to this visa if you're currently in the UK in one of the following visa. If you're on visit visa, can't switch from visit visa to global talent visa. And if you're on a short-term student visa, you can switch your visa to this visa. If you're also under a parent of a child student visa, like maybe you are the student and you will bring your parents under your student visa, where your parents cannot switch over from that visa to this visa. If you're under a seasonal worker visa, you cannot switch to this visa. On a domestic worker in a private household visa, you cannot switch your visa to this global talent visa as well. If you wish to apply for this global talent visa, you need to leave the UK and apply for this visa. If you're on tourist visa, you are on short-term study visa, you are on parent of a child student visa, if you're on a seasonal worker visa, if you're on a domestic worker in a private household, you cannot switch from that visa to this visa. So you want to apply for this global talent visa, you will need to leave the UK and apply outside of the UK. The fees and everything remains the same thing. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity, guys, because what I love most about this visa, when you travel abroad, especially when you search for a job, you got a job, you are tied to one employer, which means you can't work with a different employer. But if you move to UK with this global talent visa, it gives you a wider opportunity to work with any employer, and you can have your own freedom, have your own business, be a freelancer, do whatever you want to do. And you can also stay in UK for as many times as you want. The application fee is £716. It's not a small money. So you want to make sure that you're qualified before you put in your application. You go through the eligibility criteria before you apply for this visa.
So guys, we've covered everything you need to know about the application process. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to Easy Travel with Olakemi. Bye.